ang umuwi. Makati ang umuwi. Ang minute to tell you, Aurora. Nobody supposed to touch this. Kira. did you do yesterday? Okay. What are you planning to do tomorrow? May kabeli. Okay. So, past, since we're talking about social studies, past, let's say transportation. In the past, there's a transportation from the past, there's a transportation for today, and there might be transportation in the future, different transportation. Okay? So, we'll be watching a short okay. Okay, we're going to watch this.
Means of transport. Class 3, Social Studies. Before we start our lesson, children, can you answer the following questions? Question number 1. How do you go to school every day? By school's bus or
How do you go to school every day? Bus. What else? Cars. Or you walk?
by walk? Question number 2. If you have to go to another city to meet your friend, how will you go?
How will you go? Train, airplane,
By car or by bus, right?
car, bus.
And the last question is, if you have to go to another country to meet your cousin, how will you go? By airplane or by ship? So, let us learn more clearly about transportation today. We need to travel from one place to another all the time. We can walk to places which are very close. To go to places far, we have to use a bicycle, rickshaw, scooter, car, bus, train, ship, or airplane. Means of transport can carry both people and goods from one place to another. The kind of transport we choose will depend on the distance to be traveled, the money we can spend and the time available. Did you know? The first motor car was built by Nicholas Joseph Camilo in 1769. It had 3 wheels and went only 6 kilometers in an hour. There are 3 types of transport. They are land transport, air transport and water transport. Let us learn about them one by one. Land transport. Some means of transport run only on land. Trains, buses, cars, tractors, trucks, scooters, doggers, transporting people and goods from one place to another. Did you know? India has one of the largest railways networks in the world. China's CRH-380 bullet train is one of the fastest trains of the world. It is 3 times faster than the Bhopal Shatabdi, India's fastest train. Air transport. Some means of transport move only in the air. Aeroplanes and helicopters are means of air transport. Aeroplanes take off from airports. Air travel is expensive but very fast. Our country has a large network of airways. Most big cities have airports. Water transport. Some means of transport move only on water. Ship, boat and steamer are examples of water transport. Water travel is slow as compared to land and air travel. Ships are used to transport huge quantities of goods. Did you know? The catamaran is a boat made of 2 logs tied together. The Pad people, a fishing community from Tamil Nadu, is credited with its invention. Animals used for transport. For thousands of years, humans have used animals as a means of transport. In deserts, camels are used to carry people and pull carts. A camel is called the ship of deserts. In hilly areas, ponies and mules are used to carry goods and people. Elephants are used to move logs and people in thick forests.
Okay, so what are the transportations today? You saw airplanes. Is airplane land or air transportation or water transportation? Air transportation. Cars, trains, buses, bicycle, are they air, land or water transportation? But you, land transportation. What about boats, ships, ship, submarine? What are they? Water transportation. Okay. So there are many transportations today, right? Did you ever see a transportation from long time ago in there? Which one? Horse and what? It showed you are you guys listening? It showed you one transportation from long time ago, right? Yes. Okay.
Life has changed since this picture was taken. riding horses or wagons. We can drive cars or fly in airplanes. Used to be very
So
small.
instead of riding horses and wagons, what are we riding today? Cars, airplane, buses. Okay? Okay. May kabili ko ba? Matiyog. Alam mo. Okay? Marami na ilang mo. Horses. Wagons. Mareds. That's what I say. What about the future? So everything is gonna be flying. Flying boats, flying cars, flying buses.
Airplanes on the ground. And boats on the airplane in the water. And motorcycles flying on land. What in the land? Teacher, airplanes have
Some of them. Anything else?
Yes. Flying motorcycles.
Flying motorcycle. Flying what? Flying motorcycle. Okay? Any questions? Any questions about your lesson?